हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं इंडिया के टॉप आईटी जॉब ओपनिंग्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले बात करने वाले हैं सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर वन की, जिसकी जॉब लोकेशन बेसिकली बेंगलोर कर्नाटका होने वाली है। ठीक है, आप अप्लाई नाउ पर क्लिक करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और उसके पहले आप चाहे तो ये जेडी पढ़ सकते हैं। जैसे कि इसमें एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड है 1 to 3 years का। ठीक है, और कुछ बेसिक स्किल सेट उन्होंने डिमांड करी है, पे पढ़ सकते हैं। उसके बाद क्लिक करके आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जॉब पे। ओके, और मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक, डायरेक्ट अप्लाई लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है, वहां जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट वन विच इज दी Thermo Fisher Scientific is hiring for the AI application developer. Okay, for the job location of the Bangalore, Karnataka. This will be the full-time opportunity in the sector of the IT, data and tech. Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for this MNC job opportunity. Coming to the next, which is the registration for the BTech and other engineering department. Okay, for the their regular update for getting the job and placement cell is hiring for that. Okay, for the job location of the Pune, this is the Google form. I already shared the link in the video description. You can check over there. Coming to next one, which is the IBM is hiring for the associate system engineering engineer for the multiple job location. You can see over here. Okay, there are the lot of job opportunities in the these job locations. This is the entry level opportunity for the batch of 2024, 2025 and 26, 27. You can click on the apply now button over here and you can apply for this IBM great job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the soft, software engineering AMTS, which is hiring Salesforce developer. Okay, in the location of Hyderabad and Bengaluru. You can click on the apply now button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the graduate engineering training. Okay, work from home will be the location of job. Okay, these are the basic job description they are hiring for that. Okay, you can click on the apply now button and you can apply for the Axis Max life insurance. Coming to the next one, which is the Infosys are hiring for the multiple job location. Okay, you can see this job description, what are the requirements they are hiring for, what will be the educational qualification and other details. Okay, if you are fit in that, you can click on the accept button and you can apply for the multiple job locations and multiple job opportunities of the Infosys. Coming to the next one, which is the Texim. Texim is hiring for the multiple uh, roles like associate software engineer. Okay, for the job location of the Bengaluru. This will be the full-time opportunity. Okay, you can see the lot of qualification they are hiring for like that, like C Sharp, .NET, OOPS, and other programming algorithms and thinking, all these things. Okay, Python is also required and Angular or HTML is also there. Okay, you if you fit in that, so you can click on the apply button and you can apply for the job opportunity. Coming to the next one, which is the Zydus. Zydus is basically conducting a walking drive for the job location of the Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay, so you can click on the apply now button and you will be the eligible for attending the walking tour in the Ahmedabad campus. Okay, okay. Coming to the next one, and this is will be the job description. Clicking on the apply, you can read this JD fully, and then you can click on the apply now button. If you find this video helpful for your career growth, you can click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on the bell icon for regular update. Thank you so much.